Training a Belgian Malinois to be a perfect guard dog requires the right approach. Known for their intelligence, energy, and natural protective instincts, Belgian Malinois are great candidates for guard dog training. Here's how you can train your Malinois to be an effective protector. Start with basic obedience training. Before diving into guard dog tasks, ensure your dog follows commands like sit, stay, come, and heel. These basic commands form the foundation for more advanced training. Next, introduce bite training. Belgian Malinois have strong protective instincts, and bite training will channel their natural ability to guard. Ready for better behavior and easier training sessions? Get your free guide in the description. Always use a professional trainer for this step to ensure it's done safely and correctly. The goal is to teach your dog to bite only when commanded and to release on command as well. Socialization is crucial. Expose your Malinois to different environments, people, and other animals from a young age. This helps them differentiate between a real threat and normal situations. A well-socialized dog will not react aggressively unless necessary, keeping them calm and controlled in all situations. You can also incorporate agility training. A fit and active Malinois is more effective as a guard dog. Agility courses will improve their physical strength and mental focus, which are both important when performing guard duties. Lastly, make training sessions consistent and short. Belgian Malinois have a high energy level and can get bored quickly. Keep training fun and rewarding using positive reinforcement methods. Never use harsh techniques, as these can lead to behavioral issues. With dedication, your Belgian Malinois will develop the skills necessary to become a reliable and trustworthy guard dog.